In this video, we will discuss the importance of pollinators within ecosystems. Pollinators are essential for maintaining the equilibrium of ecosystems and ensuring the survival of countless species of plants and animals, including humans. These organisms, which encompass bees, butterflies, birds, bats, beetles, and various other creatures, facilitate the transfer of pollen from one flower to another, allowing plants to reproduce. This seemingly straightforward process has far-reaching implications for biodiversity, food production, and the overall well-being of the environment. In this video, we will delve into the vital role of pollinators, the challenges they encounter, and the actions we can take to safeguard them. What are pollinators? Pollinators are animals that transport pollen from the male parts of a flower, anthers, to the female parts, stigma, of either the same or a different flower. This process is crucial for the fertilization of plants, leading to the creation of fruits, seeds, and new plants. Types of pollinators. 1. Bees, the most recognized and effective pollinators. Honeybees, bumblebees, and solitary bees like mason bees are indispensable for pollinating both crops and wild plants. 2. Butterflies and moths. These insects are drawn to vibrant, fragrant flowers and play a significant role in pollinating a diverse array of plants. 3. Birds. Hummingbirds, for example, are key pollinators for certain flowering plants. 4. Bats. Vital for pollinating nocturnal flowers, particularly in tropical and desert ecosystems. 5. Beetles and flies. Often underestimated, these insects significantly contribute to pollination, especially for specific plant species. The role of pollinators in ecosystems. 1. Supporting plant reproduction. Pollinators are responsible for the reproduction of over 75% of flowering plants on Earth. Without their assistance, many plants would struggle to produce seeds and fruits, disrupting the food chain and leading to the decline of other species that rely on these plants for survival. 2. Maintaining biodiversity. Pollinators enhance the diversity of plant species, which in turn supports a wide variety of animal life. Diverse ecosystems are more resilient to changes and provide essential services such as clean air, water, and soil fertility. 3. Food production. A significant portion of the foods we consume, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, relies on pollination. Crops such as apples, almonds, blueberries, and coffee depend on pollinators for their yields. It is estimated that 1/3 of the global food supply is reliant on pollinators. 4. Economic impact. Pollinators hold substantial economic value. The global economic contribution of pollinators to agriculture is estimated to be in the hundreds of billions of dollars each year. They also support industries such as honey production and the cultivation of ornamental plants. 5. Cultural and aesthetic value. Pollinators, along with the plants, help to reproduce and enhance the beauty and diversity of landscapes. They are also integral to cultural traditions and practices in numerous societies. Challenges facing pollinators. Pollinators face numerous threats, many of which are linked to human activities. These challenges include: 1. Habitat loss. Urbanization, agriculture, and deforestation diminish the natural habitats where pollinators thrive. Without suitable nesting and feeding environments, their populations decline. 2. Pesticides and chemicals. The application of pesticides and herbicides in agriculture can harm pollinators directly by poisoning them or indirectly by destroying the plants they rely on. 3. Climate change. Shifts in temperature and weather patterns impact the availability of flowers and nesting sites, making it difficult for pollinators to adapt to these rapid changes. 4. Diseases and parasites. Bees, in particular, are threatened by diseases such as foul brood and parasites like the varroa mite, which weaken their colonies. 5. Pollution. Air and water pollution can adversely affect the health of pollinators and diminish the quality of their habitats. Protecting pollinators. Efforts to protect pollinators necessitate collaboration among individuals, communities, governments, and industries. Everyone has a part to play in ensuring these vital creatures flourish. Here are several ways we can work together to tackle the challenges faced by pollinators. 1. Creating pollinator-friendly habitat. One of the most straightforward and effective methods to support pollinators is by establishing spaces where they can thrive. Plant a variety of native flowers and plants that bloom throughout the year. This ensures a consistent supply of nectar and pollen for pollinators. Refrain from using harmful chemicals such as pesticides and herbicides in gardens, parks, and farms. These substances can be lethal to pollinators or render their food sources toxic. Provide safe nesting areas for bees, which may include bee hotels for solitary bees or leaving sections of your garden undisturbed for ground nesting species. 2. Promoting sustainable agriculture. Farmers play a crucial role in pollinator conservation. By adopting environmentally friendly practices, they can mitigate risks to these essential creatures. Implement crop rotation and integrated pest management to lessen the need for harmful chemicals. Support organic farming methods that rely on natural processes rather than synthetic pesticides. Purchase food from local farmers who employ pollinator-friendly practices to promote sustainable agriculture. 3. Raising awareness. Education and awareness are powerful tools for instigating change. Many individuals are unaware of the critical role pollinators play in our lives. Educate others about pollinators and their contributions to ecosystems and food production. Organize or participate in community events like pollinator garden projects or workshops to share knowledge and engage a wider audience. 4. Policy and legislation. Governments can effect significant change by implementing protective measures for pollinators. Advocate for laws that safeguard natural habitats and regulate pesticide use. Invest in initiatives that support pollinator research and conservation efforts, ensuring a long-term strategy for their survival. 5. Research and innovation. Scientific research is vital for understanding pollinators and discovering ways to protect them. Conduct studies to gain deeper insights into pollinator behavior, health, and the challenges they face. Develop innovative tools and technologies to monitor pollinator populations and address threats such as diseases, habitat loss, and climate change. By taking these actions, we can foster an environment where pollinators thrive. Supporting them is not merely about protecting nature, it is about ensuring the health of ecosystems and the survival of humans who rely on pollinators for food and biodiversity. Together, our collective efforts can yield meaningful change. The interdependence of pollinators and humans. Pollinators and humans share a crucial connection. They play a vital role in our lives by aiding plant growth, which provides us with food, oxygen, and other essential resources. Simultaneously, pollinators depend on us to safeguard their habitats and ensure they have what they need to flourish. This interdependence underscores the importance of caring for these creatures. Pollinators, such as bees, butterflies, birds, and bats, are responsible for fertilizing plants that yield many of the foods we consume, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without their assistance, our food supply would be jeopardized, and ecosystems would become unbalanced. However, pollinators face threats like habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change, which complicate their survival. That is where we come in. By taking simple actions, we can help ensure pollinators continue to thrive. Planting a diverse range of flowers and plants that bloom at various times throughout the year provides a steady food source for pollinators. Reducing or eliminating the use of harmful pesticides can create safer environments for them in gardens and farms. Supporting conservation initiatives and raising awareness about the significance of pollinators can also create a broader impact. Every small effort counts. Whether it is establishing a pollinator-friendly garden, joining a local conservation initiative, or advocating for policies that protect pollinators, our actions can lead to substantial change. By collaborating, we can safeguard these essential creatures and the ecosystems upon which we all depend. Pollinators are the unsung champions of ecosystems, enabling plant reproduction, supporting biodiversity, and ensuring food security for humans. However, their populations are declining due to habitat loss, chemical usage, climate change, and other threats. By acknowledging their significance and taking proactive measures to protect them, we can help sustain not only pollinators but also the health of our planet. By working together, we can create a future where pollinators continue to flourish, supporting life on Earth for generations to come. What do you think of our video? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you leave. Thank you for watching.